Hi beautiful, welcome back to another Lita video. Today I'm going to share my tips and tricks that I use basically to get through an ombre or the baby boomer look. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to share with you is blending the tip into the natural nail. I know that you're using a color and you're not going to see the tip, but that bump that's there, if you don't blend it in, it may make you struggle when you're going into put in the white and trying to blend it in with the nude color. Yeah, basically what I'm trying to say is just blend the tip in. That's my first tip. That will help you, trust me. And here I just go in and do like a quick roughen up on the plastic nail just for better adhesion. Again, the only tips I'm showing you is the ombre look, okay? We're not going into detail as far as the nail and application itself, okay? So, yes, first things first, I did apply a little bit of primer to help kind of, I don't know, for the acrylic to adhere better. But again, the purpose of the video is just the ombre itself. So I'm going to go in first with this Mia Secret white and then the Mia Secret monomer, okay? One thing also I want you to keep in mind is my nails. I cannot wait to change this out. You see how thick and bulky? I do like thick nails because my nails are longer. I need them to last. I have kids. I do things in the house. And yes, but when they start to grow out, it just starts to look really bad and disproportionate. Am I saying that right? So yeah, just ignore that. One of my next videos is probably going to be switching out this design because I need to file this down. It's a little ridiculous. But yes, we're going to go in with a semi-wet bead. And I'm just going to do a really thin layer. Basically, I am just putting the color and spreading it evenly. And as you can see, I want to go over where the free edge is on the nail. I want to go above that, if that makes sense. I don't want to go any lower than that because then when you go to, because that's basically where your apex is going to be, where most of the acrylic should be, where you have that like rounded surface. That's where you should have the top of where the basically oh my god, I'm not saying this right, where the white part should end. And then I'm going to go in and instead of going up at the cuticle first, my next tip, really, I can't talk, guys. My next tip is to go in right above the white and blend it through. And if you use the beads wet that are, pretty wet, you shouldn't have a problem blending it through. Okay. Another thing that I noticed is when you blend the nude down, you lose the crispiness of the white, and then I will show you what I do to bring that, that brightness back. So yeah. So guys, again, this is just for learning purposes. Let's not be so hard on each other. Yes, we should strive for perfection, but nobody is perfect. This is just a guide, okay? It's a guide to help you, and just me showing you what I do when certain things happen. So you will see soon that I go through. So here, I was hoping this would be my last bead, but then as I blended through, it started to get a little lumpy and whatnot. And then so you will see just kind of what I do. So I keep going in. Well, I go in with another bead, obviously, because I need some more acrylic up at the top. I'm always blending down. As I blend down, as you can see, it kind of drags like it forms a little lip there at the bottom. So I go back in with that tiny bead there and I blend it in, and then it's still showing that little bit of a lip, but that's fine. I go in again with white, and I blend it up to bring back that crispy white color that we like to see at the bottom, and blend it through. And then now you're not going to worry so much about the middle, because we're going to add the clear. The clear actually helps like blend the ombre, if that makes sense. It makes it a little more seamless. So again, it doesn't need to be perfect. It is going to blend nicely, and you want to make sure you have that clear in that right in the middle there, where the color, where the nude meets the white, so that it can blend together really well. Another tip is you don't tell anyone, okay, is to use a lighter color for the ombre, for the white and pink ombre. Use a lighter, like nude pinky color, because it's actually going to help with your ombre. It's going to kind of blend into the white a little better, obviously, because the color is lighter and you can see it less. So yeah, if you're a beginner, do it this way first, and just practice. I've always had trouble with the ombre, so I just wanted to show you like kind of the things that I do to get through it. And see how in the middle that structure wasn't really there. I just add a little bit of acrylic, and then and then you just keep building from there. And you guys, don't be so hard on yourself. All you have to do is keep checking. Just keep checking. I sounded like Finding Nemo. Dory, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. No, all right. Okay, those of you that have kids, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, just keep checking your edges, your shape, and all of that. But the purpose of this was just let's recap, okay? So you want to blend the nail tip into your natural nail, okay, so that you eliminate that bump. And then you're going to go in with the white above your free edge, a little bit above, so that you can come in with the nude. And then you're going to blend it down. And if you lose the crispiness of the white, you're going to add more and blend it up. And even if you're not happy with the ombre itself, the way it's blending in, you're going to use beads that are wet beads. And if you're not happy with your ombre, you're going to use white again and then blend it up. And then I think that's it. And then the bead, start with the bead right above the white, and then work your way up towards the cuticle. And then allow the clear to fill in that whatever gap, because you don't want to keep going in and making it thick, because you're going to file. See how I'm filing all that off? You don't want to lose that ombre that you created. So you want to fill that, I'm just going to call it that dent right there that I'm showing you. You want to fill that in with the clear. And this way, and if you file a lot, or, you need to, basically, if you're filing a lot, you won't file away the ombre or the blend, okay? And I think that is it. I covered everything. And then the rest is up to you, like the shaping and everything. As you can see here, I'm always checking my sides. And if I see something wrong on one side, I go on the other. And see, I'm picking at that side there. So I go in and I look down the barrel of the nail. I make sure it's okay. And then I go in at the cuticle with the drill, which if you don't have a drill, it's fine. Just use a hand file. And sorry if you hear Mina in the background. She barks at everything, especially when none of us are close to her, because she gets really nervous. But so then I go in with a buffer and I buff everything. and then you will see that I go in with the gel top coat. So yeah, that's it, guys. I think that's all I have. So again, don't be hard on yourself. Just practice. I hope this video is helpful and you got a really good look at what I do to blend everything. And yeah, this was or has always been one of my struggles. So if you struggle with ombre, I mean, it's just one of those things. We all have our strengths and weaknesses when it comes to nails. I am always learning. And yeah, so again, don't be hard on yourself. You perfect the things that you see. Like, once I take pictures and I watch the videos back, it's really helpful because I'm like, oh, this looks like this, or oh, I didn't catch that, or it's helpful, and it's things to look out for the next time you do a set or anything like that. Okay, so here I put the gel top coat on, and this is the end result. It looks so pretty, and the blend is seamless. And you can't go wrong with a baby boomer or an ombre nail. It looks so pretty. Let me know if you guys want to see a colored one, and I will do that for you. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.